As you can see here, there's a new addition. Where was it? New Plymouth. The Nacky. The clutch is absolutely stuffed. Just a few little things here and there to tidy up. Anyway, in other news, this, as you can see, is stripped. Headlights are out, grills out, all the trims are out. You can guess what's happening. And I've got a few goodies to put on it here and there. Just give it a good overall tidy up. Pretty stoked about that, really. Well, here we are back in Thames, starting some work on the wonderful Mark II. Goodies there. 50mm rear wide body. We got some new skirts as well, so we're really just trying to tidy her up, make it look the part again. Yeah, bigger skirt, so it'll look a lot lower. So me and James here, attacking it, basically just gonna cut all the back out. We're going the better option now, just tubing the rear, so it's gonna be a lot nicer. Holy shit, back of my car's gone. Fuck, you weren't supposed to cut that bit out. Oops. Easy as that. Well, we're making some serious progress. My wonderful bog job is being destroyed. James reckons that was a beautiful, beautiful job. Isn't that right, James?
Top notch.
It did the trick, made it look half pie decent. We're just getting the plates made up for the end of the chassis. Just for the rear tubing to mount to, and then we'll start doing some bar work. Oh, dime stack Derek. Things are coming along pretty nicely. Got all this bottom piece all welded in. All nicely TIG welded. And it focuses. And we're just putting in this top bar here, which is going to be support for the boot. And I've got basically little push lock boot pins that are just hold it in place, so that'll be quite nice. And then we'll just do some bars that tie it down top to bottom, and so that should be pretty strong. So look out for whoever hits the back of this. What do you reckon?
Solid.
So yeah, it's coming along mean. Shit, this thing hasn't had a rear bumper on it since it was at Ebisu. That's looking sick though. Gonna tie together quite nicely, I think. So we're just trying to decide what we're gonna do with like the bars that tie the top piece to the bottom. Might do something fancy like just through the back here like that. There we have it. Rear upright's done. It's come out bloody good. Top man James. He's dime stack Derek, that's for sure. All tied up into the top of the struts, down to our chassis rails, and even into the back wells. I think the last piece left will be just to go from the top and diagonal down into that corner there, just to give it a little bit of extra strength. Pretty much us for this weekend. It's been a bit of a mission, but well worth it. Appreciate James spending his time helping us out.
Nah, no worries, anytime.
Teaching us shitloads of things, how to do stuff properly.
Bad habits.
G'day, we're about to do some quick mods on Gaz's car, but before we do, we're gonna go get Smoko because we're hungry. You got your key? Nope. This is Gaz's new chaser. Can't really see it, but I'll show it soon. There's Uncle Errol in the back.
It smells nice in here.
Just me, Pop.
Is it? Oh.
4 deep. Who is it? Say it again. Errol's gone all silent, but he reckons this is the Yakuza car.
Hell, fucking Takashi.
Takashi what? Well, here's Gaz's new Walker. He got this thing cheap. Just needed a clutch, picked it up on the trailer, and she's mint, ready to go again.
Weapon. Good honest JZX, nonetheless.
I'll finish my burger first, then I'll fill you in. Quick fill in. Me and Gazza both sold our Evos at last. Got rid of that thing. That was a headache. That was quite a while ago now. He's also had this thing for quite a while. You may have seen on Instagram, we took Gaz's car, his drift car, the Mark II, to James at the Advanced Auto Finishes, doing the paint and a whole bunch of things. And so yeah, we're going there tomorrow. So we're quickly getting this ready as we're going to take this on a bit of a roadie. He just got this new Phoenix intercooler kit. Look at the new boxes, it looks sick. So that's intercooler kit and a radiator. Started leaking, so he put this new Phoenix one in. So shout out to Phoenix for hooking us up once again. And now we're just going to quickly put the boost up. This thing is bone stock, So we're gonna quickly do the washer mod for the wastegate actuator. Put 2 washers behind it and it puts it up to like 13 or 14 pound. So, a bit more spice. Old Chip's over here, still doing a speedway shit. Needs to get a drift car or something.
Do you want to buy a JZX? How much? You know.
Oh, the market's booming.
Market, probably 30 quid.
And here's old Uncle Errol. He also bought a mint as chaser, JZX100, and then he sold it after a few weeks. Don't know why.
Couldn't hack it. Hey.
Yeah. But yeah, anyway, we're gonna dig into this and then we'll see you tomorrow morning when we head off to Thames. Kapite.
I'm gonna delete that now.
There goes the J pipe.
What a contraption. You know why it's called a J pipe?
Oh.
Oh, because it looks like an R. This is going way too smoothly.
You realise we're taking this car tomorrow, eh? So if you break anything doing this,
we're fucked. We ain't going nowhere. What are you doing the bottom one for?
Well, gotta do the bottom one, eh? Makes sense.
Why?
Because easier.
No.
you're called Rick
do
Roll.
top one, then bottom one, because it's already spaced
You
out.
think you're hard, eh? You're gonna get rolled, bowled, and arseholed in a second. Oh.
Yeah, you don't want to get RBA'd.
Cunt, there.
Oi!
How getting your hand in there?
Your turbo's clapped, eh?
It actually is.
We're gonna blow it up on the way there.
All the side plates. Should we take a spare turbo with
This
us?
is gonna be fucking Japan all over again.
What's taking so long?
Fuck, is that a fucking threat?
Yeah, send it home with the M18.
Let's get that rattle gun on there, man. Fucking look at it, I'll grab
If
it.
it's cross-threaded, then all good. At least it's gonna stay there.
Fucking. Oh, fuck, man. We might as well just cross through. It's fucking just like East Coast Loctite. She'll be right.
Hey, hey, my bro. Guess what you forgot?
Nothing.
Heat shield, my bro. Oh, my bro.
Oh no, my bro.
No, take the J pipe off again. You're bugging, sir. Less hooey, more dewy. We out.
Muscle.
Quick.
We out. Fucking builds the strongest.
He said muscle. We out.
What are they gonna do if it boosts like 18 pound and you stuffed up the spaces? I reckon we just send it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so.
Fuck man, I need to bring your breathing apparatus tomorrow, I think.
You can't one of the exhaust.
Give us a 3rd gear pull, brother. Checking the boost.
There it is.
14.
She's bang on 14, but we've got a tiny bit of a fuel cut. Nice boost gauge, brother. Alright, so that was a pretty successful session. Boost up, it's bang on 14 pound. Fuel cuts here and there, but we're gonna take my gritty E-manage out of my car and that gets rid of the fuel cut, so we'll be sweet. Decided we wanted a bit of noise, so we took the stock exhaust off and now it's dumping at the floor like here. We're starting to regret it already because it's so droney. And we've got 5 hours to drive like that. I think we're all gonna take air muffs for the trip. Here's the beast in some decent lighting. Not bad, never guess how cheap he got this. Unbelievable. Oh well, we've got a dusty. The fan's stuck behind the shroud and not working. Oh boy.
Like we got a fucking brand new Phoenix radio that's keeping it nice and cool with no fans, just continuous airflow. Fuck, it is a wicked product, I tell you.
Fuck's sakes. Oh, that's RBA'd. So, 2 massive chunks out of the fan now. We'll be right.
I'm not taking this though.
No, we're still taking it.
That's a point.
Your fans clap. Faster you go, the more airflow. We'll be right.
Alright, let's go.